now that you have already placed columns and walls, the next thing is to draw floors. So let's get started. As you can see that we are in architecture tab, so let's just go to floor. If I click this drop down, then you can see there are some different types of floors, but for now we will just click on this floor. And in the properties palette you can see that generic floor of 12-inch thickness is already been selected. If you want to change it, then you can just click on this drop down and you can select any of these floors. And also within the draw panel you can see that there are some different types of elements or shapes. You can take help from these elements to make the shape of your floor. So let's just click on it, and let's say if my floor is kind of in this shape, which is like it is not closed and it is open, and I want to make it complete. Now the Revit is asking me that lines must be in a closed loop. The highlighted lines are open on one end, so highlighted ends are also being mentioned here. So let's just click on continue and just close it. Now if I click, you can see that floor has been drawn. Now delete it. uh, Coming back to floor again, in this case let's say I am going to make a floor which is uh, bound by these walls, and it is not a complete rectangular or any other squarish type floor. And this time I will click on pick walls. I will click these walls, and you can also see that in the option bar the offset is currently selected 0 feet 0 inches, which is fine. And also the floor is extended into wall, like into wall core. So I will select the outer edge, and I will just uncheck this one, and again keep selecting the walls. You can see that it is automatically selecting the edges, extending and deleting the edge. Let's say in this case this one, this one, this one and this one. Now as you can see that there are some cross sections which needs to be set because our file or our floor is not completely closed. So click on this trim or extend tool and select the edges where all the edges need to be in single close shape. So it is already in close shape, and then all right, in this uh, uh, wall you can see that it is selected on the inner side. I will just have to click on it and move it to the outer side. Let's see if it also has the outer side. So since these are the curtain walls, the outer or inner faces are the same. And let's say I think it is now in a closed loop, so I will just click OK. The floor has been drawn. Now going to the first floor, if I go to my ground floor, you can see that floor has been drawn. If I go to my first floor and again redraw the floor, let's see if Revit allows me to draw again. Now trim or extend these edges. Let's see. Okay, peak wall, and now trim. And okay, I think now it is in the closed loop. This time Revit is asking me that would you like to walls that go up to this floor, uh, levels this floor to attach to its bottom. Like if the walls that are coming from the ground floor, those walls should stop at the bottom of this first floor, or those walls should just go right through the floor. So let's just click on attach, and it is asking me that can't create wall millions, but it is talking about these external walls. So just click on delete items, and let's see if files are. Now you can see that the floor has been created, and also the gap between curtain walls of these two floors is clearly visible. Let's just make a cross section and see the change. You can see that floor is currently attached to the top of the wall. Now I am going to create a floor at the second floor. This time I am going to select the other option. Click OK, and this time I will click on don't attach and see what happens to my section. Now that you can see that in this floor I have selected one option, the walls ended here, but in the case of this floor the walls are going right through the floor. So this is what happens if you select these two options. Let's say in this case I have selected all the walls that are going through the floor, which is technically not correct. Then in that case what should I do? In that case I will just select these walls while pressing the control button, and select attach to top or base. Now you can see the walls are attached, only these selected walls. So this is one way to correct your mistakes. Now coming back again to the floors, I will just select this floor. Let's say if I am unable to select this floor, okay, I am able to select this floor, I will just copy it. Sorry, I will copy it, and then I will paste it to align levels. In this case I will select the third floor, fourth floor, because I have already made floors on the ground floor first and second. And now you can see that the other floors also have the same mistake, but we can correct them by repeating our last few steps. So this is how you can draw the floors. And if you have any question regarding floors, please do ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer them. That's it for today.